हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बॉटम्स अप अकेडमी। चलिए आज से हम जुलाई का करंट अफेयर स्टार्ट करेंगे। विच कंट्री हैज़ टेकन ओवर द प्रेसिडेंसी ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई? पाकिस्तान। वेयर वाज द इंडियन नेवीज लेटेस्ट वॉरशिप INS तमाल लॉन्च्ड? कलिंगराड, रसिया। Which famous Indian cricketer has released his autobiography, The One Cricket, My Life and More? Shikhar Dhawan. Which young Indian table tennis player created history by winning under 15 girls single title at the 29th Asian Youth Table Tennis Championship in the Tashkent? Divyanshi Bhomik. Which day was celebrated on 1 July? Goods and Services Day, GST Day. Which bank has become the first UAE bank to open branch at Gift City, Gujarat? Masrek. By which year the European Union has set a new climate target of reducing greenhouse gas emission by 90%? Year 2040. So Kanya Sonowal, a student of which IIT has chosen as the Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassador, Guwahati. Central government has approved the establishment of state-of-the-art PA Mitra Textile Park in Birudnagar, of which state? Tamil Nadu. Central government has renamed the National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development after whom? Savitribai Phule, who has been awarded as the country's highest civilian honor officer of the Order of a Star of Ghana by government of Ghana, Narendra Modi. According to the data released by NSE on 3 July, which state of India has become the third state in the with 1 crore registered stock market investors after Maharashtra and UP, Gujarat, with whom National Commodity and Derivative Exchange Limited tied up to launch India's first weather derivatives trading Indian Meteorological Department. Indian Army has launched an operation by which name to ensure safe and peaceful Sri Amarnath Yatra 2025 Operation Seva. Indigo Airlines has appointed whom as its non-executive director? Amitabh Kant, former CEO of Niti Aayog. Indigo Airline has appointed whom as the non-executive director? Amitabh Kant, former CEO of Niti Aayog. Which Indian actress has been nominated for the Hollywood Walk of Fame star? Deepika Padukone, who has been awarded as the highest civilian honor Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago? Narendra Modi, who has become the first woman fighter pilot to fly a fighter aircraft in Indian Navy? Astha Punia. Which country the public sector steel company SAIL has opened its first overseas office? Dubai. Which state government has launched Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gram Yojana to fight poverty in 5,000 villages? Rajasthan. Who created history by winning top spot in rapid title in Super United Rapid and Blaze of Grand Chess Tour of Zagreb? Digu Case. Which state in India has become the first to use Face ID for ration distribution? Himachal Pradesh. Indian Space Promotion and Authority has approved which Hyderabad based company to launch India's first indigenous satellite internet services? Anant Technologies. According to the latest World Energy Report, which country has been overtaken by India to become the fourth largest biofuel user in the world? China. According to the World Bank's report 2025, India ranks at what position in the list of most income equal countries in the world with Gini coefficient 25.5? Fourth. With which theme was the International Day of Cooperative 2025 celebrated on 5 July? Cooperatives driving inclusive and sustainable solutions for better world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave awarded key of which city during visit to Argentina? Buenos Aires. Which state has launched the advanced system called Smart Mosquito Surveillance System to curb growing number of mosquito-borne disease? Andhra Pradesh. Under what name the billionaire American businessman Elon Musk has announced the launch of new political party, America Party, who has become the 10th and 11th countries respectively to join new development band established in the year 2025 by BRICS countries? Colombia. Which state government announced plans to build Asia's largest jungle safari in Aravali, Haryana? Where did Union Minister of State for Science and Technology Jitendra Singh inaugurate National Biobank, CSIR, IGIB, New Delhi? Who has been elected as the first woman president of country by Parliament of Suriname? Jennifer Gerlings Simons. India defeated England at Edgbaston by how many runs to register biggest test win on foreign soil? 336 runs. Government of India honored by whom by issuing a special postage stamp on his 125th birth anniversary? Syama Prasad Mukherjee. Which day was celebrated on 6 July? World Rural Development Day. 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. India successfully tested indigenously extended range anti-submarine rocket Eraser from which warship? INS Kavaratti. Which country has become the first country to recognize Taliban government? Russia. Where was the 11th India Makkah summit held? New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of ICC? Sanjog Gupta. Which day was celebrated on 7 July? World Bioproducts Day and World Swahili Language Day. Which country was honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the its highest civilian honor, Grand Collar of the Nation Order of South Cross? Brazil. Which state has become the first to support the Cruise India mission to promote cruise tourism? Gujarat. European Union has approved which 21st member country to adopt euro as its official currency? Bulgaria. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana to provide free health services up to 10 lakh? Punjab. Which state government has approved 35% reservation for women native to state government jobs? Bihar. Report released who has become the most valuable team of IPL by overtaking Chennai Royal Challengers Bangalore. Which oldest elephant died at the age of 100 in Panna? Vatsala. Which country has honored Prime Minister Modi with the highest civilian honor, Order of Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis? Namibia. Which Sudanese Scottish writer has been awarded Pen Pinter Prize? Leila Abu Leila. Leila Abu Leila has been awarded with the Sudanese Scottish writer हैं ये जिनको पेन पेंटर प्राइज दिया गया है. Which African country become the first African country to be adopt India's UPI? Namibia. The Maharashtra government has renamed the Karnak Road Bridge in Mumbai as what new name? Sindoor Bridge. Under what name the Indian Navy has launched first indigenously developed diving support ship DS INS Nistar? Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated Agritech Innovation Hub and Agritech Startup and Technology Showcase in Uttar Pradesh. Sardar Vallabhai Patel University, Meerut. Who has created history by becoming world's first listed company to reach market value of 4 trillion? Nvidia. Who is the person of Indian origin appointed by Apple as its next chief operating officer? Sabi Khan. Which state government has declared Ganesh Utsav as the state festival? Maharashtra. Arthunakal police station located in which state become first police station in India to get ISO certification? Kerala. India and Greece conducted joint naval exercise under which name near Mumbai coast in Arabian Sea? Passex. Which cricket legend was honored by unveiling portrait at the MCC Museum at Lord's, London? Sachin Tendulkar. Which state government has launched Operation Kal Enemy against fake saints who cheat people and misuse religion? Uttarakhand. Who has become the first and only Indian to make it to the Time 100 Creators List 2025? Prajakta Kohli. The government organization Nest and UNICEF has all launched a program by which name to help tribal students? Talas. Which site of India has been officially launched included in World Heritage List by UNESCO? Maratha Military Fort. UNESCO has included 3 historical sites related to brutal regime Khmer Rouge of which country in its World Heritage List? Cambodia. What name the Assam government has renamed the Rabindranath Tagore University located in Hojoi? Rabindranath Thakur University. Which state has launched Gaj Mitra scheme to deal with human-elephant conflict? Assam. Indian Air Force and DRDO successfully tested which indigenous missile from Su-30? Astra. Who has been appointed as the member of Executive Committee of US-India Strategic Partnership Forum? Kumar Mangalam Birla. Who has been awarded as the United Nations Population Prize 2025 on World Population Day? Varsha Deshpande. Who has become the 87th Grandmaster of India? A.R. Hari Krishnan. Which state government has lifted the long-standing ban on traditional heritage sports like bullock cart races, dog races, horse races, and pigeon races? Punjab. With which theme was the World Population Day celebrated? Empowering young people to build the families they want in a fair and hopeful way. Where was India's first aquatech park inaugurated? Sonpur, Guwahati. Which country has world's first traditional knowledge digital library has been launched? India. Union, Gov- Union Cabinet has approved what scheme for 1 lakh crore to create more than 3.5 crore new jobs in India? Employment linked incentive. Whom did Italy's Jannik Sinner defeat to win Wimbledon 2025 men's singles? Carlos Alcaraz. In honor of which entomologist Indian scientists have named newly discovered rare butterfly species in the Western Ghat? George Matthew. Under the leaders of which country India participated first time in the world's largest multinational military exercise Talisman Sabre 2025? Australia. Which country has launched high-tech communication satellite Drone 1 into space with the help of SpaceX Falcon 9? Israel. Which former military officer and elected president of Nigeria died in London? Muhammadu Buhari. Which state was the famous religious festival Behdinkhalam celebrated? Meghalaya. According to the data released, which state has topped the production of export of processed potato in India? Gujarat. Under what name Indian Army performed a military demonstration in the Khar Corps Field Training Area? Prachand Shakti, Meerut. Indian Army performed military demonstration Khar Corps Field Training Area in Meerut, Prachand Shakti. Which state has India's first Ro-Ro ferry service has been launched on the Mandavi River, Goa? Who has been selected as the ICC Men's and Women's Player of the Month for June, July? Eden Markram and Halle Matthews. President Murmu has appointed new governors and lieutenant governors on how many states, union territories? 3. Asim Kumar Ghosh, Puspati Ashok Gajapati and Raju and Kavindra Gupta Ladakh. How many eminent persons President Murmu has nominated to Rajya Sabha? 4. Ujjwal Nikam, lawyer; C. Sadanand, master teacher; Harshvardhan Singla, former diplomat; and Meenakshi Jain, historian. Where has the BITS Pilani announced to open India's first AI Plus campus? Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of National Medical Commission? Abhijit Seth. World's oldest marathon runner died in road accident. Fauja Singh, who is the eminent actress of Tamil Nadu, Kannada, Telugu, and Hindi cinema, died in Bangalore. B. Saroj Devi. Which city has been named India's cleaner city for the eighth consecutive time under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Swachh Surakshan, Indore. India won how many medals and ranked sixth among 90 countries in the 57th International Chemistry Olympiad? 4. Who won the under 18 boys title in the 10th Junior National Rugby Championship? Bihar. Indian Air Force officer returned to Earth on 15 July after spending 18 days on the International Space Station under the Axiom 4 mission. Group Captain Subanshu Shukla. Where has India's first digital nomad village has been opened? Yakten village, Sikkim. Where was the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Employment opened 75th Pradhan Mantri Divyang Kendra, Badaun, Uttar Pradesh? Whom did President Draupadi Murmu confer Kaling Ratna Award in Cuttack? Dharmendra Pradhan. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of LIC? R. Dorai Swamy. Who has been appointed as the new Managing Director and CEO of Gandhinagar based Gift City? Sanjay Kaul. Where has the Indian Health Ministry started campaign to spread awareness about the nutrients present in common breakfast? AIMS Nagpur. Which city has ranked the world's most affordable student city by QS ranking? Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of country by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky? Yulia Sviridenko. Appointed as the new Prime Minister by Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, Yulia Sviridenko. With which theme was World Youth Skill Day celebrated? Youth empowerment through AI and digital skills. Union Cabinet Minister approved Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhan Krishi Yojana with aim of increasing crop production and increasing income of farmers in backward districts in the agriculture sector. Which scheme will be implemented in how many districts? 100 districts. Who has been appointed as the interim CEO of Karnataka Bank? Raghavendra S. Bhatt. Which state Harela festival was celebrated by planting more than 5 lakh saplings? Uttarakhand. Where did Indian Army successfully test fire Akash Prime air defense system? Ladakh. Which day was celebrated on 16 July? AI Precision Day. Which state has launched India's first tribal genome sequencing project? Gujarat. Which state has given agriculture status to livestock and poultry? Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the sweep icon for Bihar by Election Commission? Neetu Chandra and Kranti Prakash Jha. Who has been a first player to win Polygrass Magic Skill Award? Deepika Sehrawat, women's hockey. Which experienced West Indies all-rounder announced retirement from international cricket? Andre Russell. India successfully test fired which ballistic missile capable of carrying nuclear warhead from the integrated test range Chandipur, Odisha, Prithvi 2 and Agni 1? Which day was celebrated on 17 July? World Day for International Justice. Which Indian bank has been named as the world's best consumer bank by the American Global Finance magazine (SBI), under which name Indian Navy launched India's first indigenously built diving support vessel in Visakhapatnam, INS Nistar, where was India's first Indian Institute of Creative Technology on the line of IIT and IM inaugurated Mumbai. ICC has awarded hosting rights for the next three World Test Championships to whom? England. Which day was celebrated on 18 July, Nelson Mandela International Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a new employment scheme in Motihari, Bihar, offering how many amount of incentive for first-time private sector job seekers? 15,000. India won how many medals at 7th among 110 countries in 66th International Mathematical Olympiad held in Australia? 6. 3 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze. Which day was celebrated on 20 July? World Chess Day and International Lunar Day. Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned from his post citing health reason under which article? Article 67A. Replica of Asoka pillar has been unveiled in Kodua, which country? Sri Lanka. Which assembly was paperless Niva Service Center inaugurated? Delhi. Who became the first Indian to win Best Magic Creator Award at Film 2025 Oscar for Magicians? Suhani Shah. Who has been appointed as the new mission director at the Atal Innovation Mission by the Government of India? Deepika Bagla. Who has been entrusted with hosting the International Chess Federation FIDE World Cup 2025 India. China has started construction of world's largest hydroelectric dam on which river? Yarlung Zampo. Which former CM of Kerala died? VS Achyutanandan. What is the rank of India in Henley Passport Index? 77th, and Singapore tops it. Indian Army has officially received first batch of Apache AH-64E combat helicopters from which country? America. Indian Coast Guard launched which indigenous pollution control vehicle at Goa Shipyard Limited? Samudra Pachet. Which Indian app won the WSIS Championship Award 2025 in Switzerland for digital governance? Meri Panchayat. Which deputy managing director of the International Monetary Fund has resigned from his post? Geeta Gopinath. Tamil Nadu government has announced to set up India's first center of excellence for hornbill conservation in which tiger reserve? Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Which country has announced to withdraw from UNESCO after rejoining 2 years ago? America. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Sunset TV? Utpal Kumar Singh. India has resumed issuing tourist visa to the citizen of which country? China, after 5 years. Which Indian international airport has once again made India proud by being ranked among top 10 international airport in the world at Travel Leisure World's Best Awards? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai. Which day was celebrated in India on 23 July? National Broadcasting Day. Whom did Prime Minister Narendra Modi gift sapling under Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam environmental initiative during his visit to Britain? King Charles III. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Insurance Regulatory and Development Board of India? Ajay Seth. Which Hindi writer of the International Booker Prize and winning novel Tom of Sand won the Pen Translate Award for the book Once Elephants Lived Here? Gitanjali Sri. NASA has launched a mission by what name to study Earth magnetic protection against space storms? TASERS. IBSF World 6 Red Snooker Championship 2025 whom did Wales Ridley Powell defeat to win this title? Pankaj Advani. With which country India signed a historic free trade agreement? Britain. Fino Payments Bank has launched Gati Savings Account to promote UPI in which state? West Bengal. On which occasion Indian National Income Tax Day celebrated in India? To commemorate the historic introduction of income tax in India by Sir Thomas Wilson. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has surpassed to whom become the second longest serving Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, State Male India provided line of credit of how many crores to Maldives? 4,850 crore. Joint commemorative postage stamp was issued between two countries to mark 16th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relations between which country? India and Maldives. Where did India successfully test first hydrogen powered rail coach? Integrated Coach Factory, Chennai. DRDO has successfully test fired which drone to launch precision missiles for first time in National Open Field Range, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh? UL PGBM V3. Which country has launched new initiative for industrial internship to employed youth, under which women will given monthly stipend 6,000 से 5,000? Madhya Pradesh. Who has been awarded GP Birla Memorial Award by GP Birla Archaeological, Astronomical and Scientific Institute? Dr. V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi National Open University? Professor Uma Kanjilal. Which Indian origin CEO has joined Billionaire Club on 25 to rare feat for non-founder executive Sundar Pichai, who has become the second highest run scorer in Test cricket, surpassing Ricky Ponting, Joe Root. Prime Minister Modi visited which country on a state visit from 23 to 26 July? Britain and Maldives. Which Marathi writer and critic has been awarded the Chinta Ravindra Award 2025? Saran Kumar Limbale. Madhya Pradesh Medical University has announced to start company's first Hindi medium medical college in which city? Jabalpur. How many MPs were honored with the Sansad Ratna Award 2025 for the exceptional contribution? 17. Narendra Modi inaugurated the new terminal building at which airport located in Tamil Nadu? Tuticorin. National Legal Services Authority has launched scheme by what name to strengthen legal aid for defense personnel? Veer Parivar Sahayata Yojana. Who became the first Indian pair to win two medals in women's singles badminton Asia Junior Championship? Tanvi Sharma and Venala Kalagotla. Which anniversary of history Kargil Vijay Divas was celebrated? 26th. Indian Ministry of Culture celebrated birth anniversary of which one of the greatest emperors of Indian history through Adi Tiruvatirai festival, Rajendra Chola. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin on the birth anniversary of which eminent Chola emperor, Rajendra Chol. India ranked with what total 12 medals in FISU World University Games 2025 held in Germany 20th. Narendra Modi launched the mission by what name to digitize ancient manuscripts? Gyan Bharatam mission. Which country has successfully tested its most powerful non-nuclear bomb Gajap and named to Ghost Turkey? Which country defeated world champion Spain to win UEFA Women's Euro 25 in Basel, Switzerland? England. Which paramilitary forces celebrated 87th Foundation Day? CRPF. Divya Deshmukh has defeated whom to win the FIDE World Cup 2025 title with which she became the India's 88th Grandmaster and 4th Indian women Grandmaster Koneru Hempe. Which 20-year-old student from Mangalore has entered the Golden Book of World Records by performing the ancient Indian classical dance Bharatnatyam continuously for 170 hours? Ramona Yvette Pereira. Prin Versailles Award 2025 has been selected Terminal 2 Yantai Penglai International Airport of which country as the most beautiful airport in the world? China. Indian Army killed three Pakistani terrorists guilty of attack on Pahalgam under of which operation in Dera of the Chigam National Park, Operation Mahadev. DRDO has conducted two consecutive successful flight tests which indigenous quasi ballistic missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha, Pralay. Indian Coast Guard launched which indigenously built fast petrol vehicle Atal. Which ministry has launched Apna Ghar, a nationwide initiative to provide clean and safe resting place to truck drivers? Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Communication Minister Jyotiradiत्य Scindia has launched Sanchar Sathi mobile app in how many regional languages, including Hindi, to prevent telecom-related cyber fraud? 21. Ceasefire agreement was signed between Thailand and which country? Cambodia. Which state government has announced the formation of State Safai Karamchari Commission? Bihar. British economist, author, and member of House of Lords, Indian origin, died? Lord Meghnad Desai. According to the new report on the status of tigers released World Tiger Day, Assam's Kaziranga Tiger Reserve is ranked at what in world in tiger density? Third. Where has India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant been commissioned? Deen Dayal Port, Kandla. ISRO launched which Earth observation satellite through GSLV F-16 rocket from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Nisar. India's leading automobile manufacturer Tata Motors has announced the purchase of which country's commercial vehicle manufacturer Iveco Group, Italy. Which railway station has become the first private railway station of Uttar Pradesh and Northeast Railway? Gomati Nagar, Lucknow. Indian Railways has started deploying its most advanced indigenous train protection system Kavach for which section of Delhi Mumbai corridor? Mathura Kota. Which sacred relics of Lord Buddha discovered in year 1898 in Uttar Pradesh has been brought back to India after 127 years? Piprahava relics. India has sent 5 metric tons of life-saving medicines, including anti-cancer drug, to which country as part of its ongoing humanitarian assistance? Syria. Who took charge as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Sonali Misra. NHPC has started the process of construction of how many 1856 megawatt hydropower project in Chenab River in Ramban district of Jammu and Kashmir after the suspension of Indus Water Treaty? Sawalkot hydroelectric project. Where did ISRO chairman K. V. Narayan launch Hope mission to simulate astronaut life for India's Gaganyaan? Ladakh. Who took over as Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh? Sasi Prakash Goyal. Who has taken over as the new Commissioner of Delhi Police? Sasi Bhushan Kumar. Air New Zealand has appointed which Indian origin techie as the new CEO? Nikhil Ravisankar, who has been appointed as the executive director of Reliance Industries? Anant Ambani.